Unboxing time. We got how many? 4 boxes. I should know because I actually had all these boxes on my bike today. It was not a very fun experience because they were almost falling off the bicycle all the time. So let's begin. It's not the biggest unboxing because I know that 2 of the boxes are probably just with one kit. Yeah, this is one of them. You all see what this is? Mobile Haro. Who doesn't love Mobile Haro? It's actually, this have been hard to come by for some time. And then all of a sudden, I got access to them, so I had to buy them. Of course, it was 1 box. Then we got another box, and you can probably see what it says. Something about curios. Let's see if I can't remember if I bought a whole master case. Looks like it. How many is in there? 12 pieces? This kit looks so great. I love these orange colors. As far as I can see, this is only curios. Then I actually, maybe I ordered more than 1 kit. Not quite sure. Oh, let me just make sure the lights doesn't go out. Now this will not be an issue in your warehouse. For those of you who saw the video yesterday where I walked around there, it looks great. And there's no light sensor, so I can control the lighting myself. So let's see, this is a big box. Sometimes they're really thorough with taping and boxing all this stuff up. Why did they pack it like this? It's fine. I'm watching my back, sorry. This is what you call a mixed box. 1 piece, Going Merry. We have Esposito. And no, it's not the Justin Bieber song. It's actually the name of a mobile suit. Then we got the Unicorn Gundam, and I should have a lot more of these. This has been sold out for some time in the real great version. Let's see here. More Going Merry. And more Mobile Haro. Only Mobile Haro. Well, see, sometimes these Haro kits goes out of production for a year or more. So this time I just thought, hey, I might get some more space in the new warehouse. So why not buy a bit more so I have inventory for at least, I don't know how long. Depends on how many buy it, of course, for at least a couple of months or so. And probably also more because it's not like I'm selling 100 Haros a week. But that guy is a funny little one. So let's see if we can get this one out. And because of this box here. Soon over all this. problems with the space. Soon, very soon. Give me a month or so and we would be in the new warehouse. The thing is, we have this one to end of February, so we have double payment for 2 warehouses. Oh, this is great, more Esposito, but we got a lot more unicorns down here. I can see unicorns. Unicorns. More unicorns. More unicorns. And we have the Wing Gundam. Yeah. This one has also been sold out for some time and is actually a very, very good kit. Number 35, so it's one of the newest real grades there is. And this one has also been sold out for not very long, but we just got a restock of the Evangelion Unit 01. That's it. Last box, which is also a big one. Is this just fillings or? That's a weird box. Normally I don't get flat boxes like this. More mobile Haro and mobile option sets. Mobile suit option set 7. Yep. We have something over here. It's a fun way they have been packaging this, but I actually like it because the boxes inside boxes so they don't get squished. Double protection. I bet some of them had issues like I had before where the courier kind of just crushed all the boxes and didn't care. And we have a big box that says food. Mechanics Raider. Not quite sure. It is a master case just with Raider. That wouldn't make any sense. I don't think I bought that one, but let's see. When there's brown tape on it, it has been resealed. So 3 Raiders, a Wing Gundam, 3 Evangelions, Raider, Kyrios. So 4 Kyrios and 4 Raiders. Full Mechanics Raider, black and red theme. I personally like this one with the big mace or ball, whatever you call it. Yeah, I know we have a lot more boxes incoming. I'm not quite sure when they will be shipped. We have a lot of merchandise incoming, and we have 2 orders where one is small of Gundam and one is very big, but it's because there's a lot of the same master grade kits inside. There's like 24 of each, and we think we ordered 2 different pieces. I think it was the Epion and the master grade red frame Astray. The revised version is actually great. So yeah, for those of you who hasn't seen the video of the new warehouse location where I wander around in the empty space there, go check out the video. It's in the fan group on Facebook if you want to see how it looks, how big it is compared to this one. It's like 4.5 times as big. It's 19 meters long, almost 9 meters wide, something like that. I can't remember. A lot bigger than this. And we will get the keys the 1st of January. And then we have to buy a lot of inventory, and then we have to move all the stuff, and then we have to make it ready. Ooh, I'm already getting tired of all the work. Before we're in place. So hopefully mid-January I will be ready to show some more stuff. I will probably make some small videos in the processes of how we're establishing the warehouse and the office, and the showroom will not be first priority because I have to move all my kits from home, and if there's one thing I hate, it's moving my kits. It's like I did it for the J-PopCon convention, and it's just not optimal to move all my kits. So normally I just move like 10-15 kits in boxes with bubble wrap on, and there's always something falling off and stuff. But the thing is, I have 3 glass cabinets at home, and we can get them out of the house and down into the showroom. And then the idea was to have like maybe 8 to 10 cabinets filled up with kits, with nice lighting and stuff, so people can come in and watch the made kits, completed kits, and be inspired to see what it's all about, and maybe a table with some tools and the process and whatever. You will see. It will be a build in progress, the entire warehouse. Yeah, and we are starting in 2023. So a lot of deliveries is incoming. I will keep making these videos. I will keep sending out as usual. Keep up the feedback on both YouTube or in the Facebook group or Instagram or whatever, and inspire us to do everything even better. I gotta go. I will put all this on the website, and see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.